Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to start with the poem named At Sea in the House. So please be ready with your notebooks and note down the important meanings and try to understand all the lines. And this poem is written by Stanley Cook. So, what is the meaning of this poem At Sea in the House? In this poem, the child is imagining, is thinking only. He is thinking certain things in his house, certain things which are present in his house to be something else. वो सिर्फ इमेजिन कर रहा है, वो सिर्फ सोच रहा है अपनी घर की सर्टन चीज़ों को, कुछ चीज़ों को कुछ और तरीके से वो सोच रहा है. Okay, when we will read the poem then you will understand, and you must have done in your time also. So, or we, or maybe you are doing it now also, like imagining something for something else. Okay, so let us read the poem to see what tables, chairs, and a carpet can turn into if we pretend. So, in this poem, they are saying that if we think something for something else, then what they can become. अगर हम कुछ चीज़ों को किसी और तरह किसी और तरीके से, लाइक टेबल्स, चेयर्स या कारपेट को किसी और तरीके से सोचें, देन व्हाट इट कैन बिकम. ओके, सो वी विल रीड द पोएम नाउ. When I pretend, the child is saying, when I pretend, when I think, when I imagine them to be, the tables and chairs are land. In this one, imagine the child in his room of a house, and he is imagining the things which are in his room or in his house. Okay, सो ही इज सेइंग कि जब मैं सोचता हूँ उनके बारे में, व्हेन आई प्रिटेंड देम टू बी, द टेबल्स एंड चेयर्स आर लैंड. ओके, the tables and chair which are present in his room or which are present in his house, they are land, they are like ground. वो उनको ground समझ रहा है, उनको chairs और tables को land समझ रहा है. Where you can safely stand, like we can stand safely on the floor, on the ground. Like that he can stand on the tables and chair because he is thinking tables and chairs as land, as ground where he can stand safely. And the carpet between is a sea, and there is a carpet on the floor, and he is thinking the carpet means a piece of thick heavy fabric. Okay, cloth जो floor पे, the fabric which we use to cover the floor, that is called carpet. Okay, so he is imagining carpet as a sea. जो वो फ्लोर पे कारपेट है उसको वो एज अ सी इमेजिन कर रहा है, सोच रहा है. ओके, again, when I pretend them to be, when I think about the things which are lying in the room, then tables and chairs are the land, the tables and chairs are the ground on which he can stand safely, and the carpet is sea. Okay, carpet is sea. Next, the dining table makes a boat, and there is a dining table in the room, and he is thinking that he is imagining that dining room for a boat. उसके लिए वो जो डाइनिंग टेबल I spoke dining room. Dining table makes a boat. Okay, so he is thinking dining table, a boat, and I climb on there and I go up on there. वो उस बोट में climb करता है, जाता है by way of rocking chair. Rocking chair, you know very well, the chair which come back and forth. Um, and out to sea we float, and with that, and with the help of that rocking chair, he go up on the dining table, and he is imagining that he is floating. He is floating on the sea. Okay, so because under this dining table there is a carpet, and he has already mentioned that he is thinking carpet as a sea. Okay, and this dining table is a boat on which he climbed with the help of the rocking chair, and now he set out to float. Okay, float, move slowly on the surface of the water. Okay, next, there are, as we all know, that there are beautiful designs on the carpet also. So those pattern, those designs in the carpet, he thinks that those pattern, those designs in the carpet swims like the fish on the floor. जो उसमें डिज़ाइन बना हुआ कारपेट में, he is thinking them, he is imagining them like a fish on the floor. ठीक है, कि वो जो कारपेट में डिज़ाइन है, जो पैटर्न है, दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग फिश, and anyone opening the door is sure to get wet, because the carpet is everywhere in the room, and he is saying what do these two line mean, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. So the carpet is present everywhere in the room. As soon as anybody enter the room, if anybody enter the room, uh, he or she will keep his or her foot on the carpet, and according to this child, the carpet is sea. Okay, so as soon as he or she will enter the room and will keep his or her foot on the carpet, they will surely going to get wet, because for this child the carpet is representing the sea. Okay, so this all poem is all about imagination, about thinking, where a child imagining certain things in his house to be something else, जहाँ पे वो कुछ चीज़ों को किसी और चीज़ में इमेजिन कर रहा है. लाइक ही इज़ इमेजिनिंग टेबल्स एंड चेयर्स आर लैंड, ही इज़ इमेजिनिंग कारपेट एज अ सी, ही इज़ इमेजिनिंग डाइनिंग टेबल एज अ बोट. Okay, where he is going to climb with the help of the rocking chair, and he is ready to float, and the pattern and the designs in the carpet are representing fish on the floor, and he is thinking that anyone who is going to enter this room, and as soon as they will keep, or he or she will keep his or her foot on the carpet, because carpet is a sea. ठीक है, so he or she is surely going to get wet. So this is all about imagination of a child, how a child imagines certain things in his house to be something else. And sometimes we too also imagine certain things in our house to be something else. So this is all about imagination, जहाँ पे एक चाइल्ड कुछ चीज़ों को, अपने घर की कुछ चीज़ों को कुछ और तरीके से इमेजिन कर रहा है, सोच रहा है उनको. ओके, सो अगेन आई एम रीडिंग द पोइम. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land, where you can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. The dining table makes a boat, and I climb on there by way of the rocking chair, and out to sea we float. The pattern in the carpet swim like a fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. So this is all from my side. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. So please try to read the poem and the meaning carefully so that you can understand the poem really well. Have a stay home, stay safe. Thank you.